made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the map. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh, no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They will come here to play. The fun of this way. No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
Mother could say this. Oh, what would she say?
Oh, we crashed.
Your mother is near. Please again. Think of something to do. You will have to get rid of things.
Oh, we're gonna spin.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame.
Come on, pick it up. It's long enough.
Hey, smile.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
I think last time I wrote back.
Please remain seated. Keep your hands and feet inside the deck until your lap arm